Hi friends, welcome to Kanhaiya channel. So let's install iPadOS 26 developer beta 2 on iPad 10th generation. So note that it's a developer beta and it's intended for developers to try and test their apps. So please don't install it on your main device and try it at your own risk. So you can see how the clear icons look. And let me show you how the windowing system works. You can see that I can resize it easily. This is stage manager actually. Let me show you the new windowing system. And yes, stage manager is also available on iPad 10th generation in iPadOS 26. Actually, it's available in all the iPads which support iPadOS 26. So this is the new windowing system, and here you can see the buttons. So now let's install it. For that, open Safari and go to developers.apple.com. Link is in the description. Click on the account option. Sign into your Apple account. I will use Touch ID to sign in. Read the agreement and agree if you agree. With script remind me later. And now you can leave this page and go to settings and general and software update and beta updates. Click iPadOS 26 developer beta. Go back. Let it check for update. And after the update is shown, click update now. Enter your passcode. And let it install. It will take some time. It will restart and you will boot into iPadOS 26. Note that I had fast forwarded the video, so it may take more time for you. Let's unlock it and enter a passcode. And you can see a glitch was here. So let me show it to you once again. You can see this visual corruption in the button. You can expect to find these types of bugs as this is a developer beta. You can choose the settings according to your own wish. And let's continue with full screen and window apps. You can see that it lags a bit, but it will be better after a few hours. And let me show you that we are running iPadOS 26. So you can see that we are running the iPadOS 26 developer beta. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please do comment. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.